How to view someone's Instagram story without being seen or knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can view Instagram story without being seen or knowing. So let's go ahead and look out for how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to do so, there is no such direct way from Instagram, because if we view a story, it will be directly shown as seen on their Instagram viewer list. But what you can do is instead is follow this method. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap on the story beside the story that you're trying to watch. Simply click on the story and you're gonna look up for the story before the story that you're trying to watch. So you're just gonna gently swipe to the story and make it to the half. Like you're not gonna directly make it to, like you're not gonna truly watch every story, but you're gonna make it to the half until you're able to find something like this. After that is done, after you're done watching the story, what you're gonna do is simply swipe to the right again, so that you can easily watch the story as well and you won't be counted as their seen list as well. So after that is done, your way just close and you can see I just viewed the story, but the highlight of the story has not been removed, which means I have viewed the story but I have not been listed as their viewers. Another thing you can do is simply temporarily turn off your Wi-Fi or turn on the airplane mode on your Instagram. For that, you may just open up your Instagram application first, and then you're just going to turn off your Wi-Fi and then view the story. And remember that you can only view some of the story which is already loaded when you have an internet connection. So you may follow the same process in order to view the Instagram story without being seen or known. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.